Before you buy another SSD, external hard drive, or SD card, watch this first. Storage prices are climbing, and for a lot of creators, students, gamers, and everyday users, replacing a drive is no longer a small purchase. But here is the bigger problem. Sometimes the storage device is not actually dead. Sometimes the files are still there, hidden after an accidental delete, a quick format, a corrupted partition, or one wrong click. Today I'm testing Wondershare Recoverit to see whether it can recover deleted files, restore data from external drives, and help with partition recovery before you spend money on new storage. So I'm using Recoverit on my computer today, and the process starts with choosing the location where the files were lost. That can be an internal hard drive, an external hard drive, a USB flash drive, an SD card from a camera, or even a partition that was formatted by mistake. Now this is important because most people don't lose data in some dramatic way. It usually happens during a normal day. You clear space on a drive, empty the recycle bin, format a card before checking it, or move projects between devices and suddenly realize something is missing. Now for this test, I'm going to connect an external drive and scan it with Recoverit. Now once the drive appears, I select it, start the scan, and Recoverit begins looking for recoverable files. Now what I like here is that the interface is straightforward. You don't need to understand the complicated command lines, file system, or technical recovery terms. You just choose the device, scan it, preview what is found, and recover what you need. Now let's talk about hard drive data recovery. If you have ever deleted an important folder, you know that panic moment when you search everywhere and nothing shows up. Recoverit is designed to scan the drive and find files that may still be recoverable, including documents, photos, videos, archives, and project files. As the scan runs, you can see categories and file types appearing, which makes it easier to narrow down what you are looking for instead of digging through random folders. The next feature is external storage recovery, and this is probably one of the biggest reasons I wanted to test it. You know, a lot of us keep important files on portable devices, camera footage on SD cards, backups on external hard drives, work documents on USB drives, and video projects on portable SSDs. Now, if one of those devices gets formatted or files disappear, replacing the device does not solve the real problem. You need the data back. Recoverit supports recovery from USB drives, SD cards, external hard drives, and other connected storage devices, so it is useful for creators like me, photographers, editors, and anyone who depends on portable storage. Another powerful area is partition recovery. Now this matters if a partition becomes lost, deleted, or formatted. Maybe you were setting up a new drive, managing storage, or reinstalling a system, and suddenly a partition that had important files is gone. In Recoverit, you can select that affected drive or partition area and let the software scan for lost data. For people who are not technical, this is a big deal because partition problems can feel impossible to fix without professional help. Now the scan is showing files that Recoverit has found, and this is where the preview feature becomes really useful. Instead of blindly restoring everything, I can preview files first, check names, file types, and sometimes content, and decide exactly what I want to bring back. Now that saves time, especially if you are recovering from a large drive with thousands of files. Now that's pretty cool. So if a basic scan does not find everything, Recoverit also offers deeper recovery options for more difficult situations. This is useful for formatted drives, damaged file structures, or media files that are harder to restore. For example, if you lost video clips or photos from a camera card, a deeper scan can help locate more data and improve the chances of recovering what matters. So once I choose the files I want, the final step is simple. Click recover and save them to a safe location this time. Now, one important tip: don't save recovered files back onto the same drive you are scanning, because that can overwrite data. Save them to a different drive or folder so you protect the recovery process. And there it is, guys, the files are back. Instead of immediately buying a new SSD, replacing an external hard drive, or assuming everything is gone forever, Recoverit gives you a practical first step. It is built for hard drive recovery, USB data recovery, SD card recovery, partition recovery, photo recovery, and video recovery, all in a way that regular users can understand. I like it. I cannot recommend enough the service. So if you accidentally deleted files, formatted a drive, lost a partition, or can't find important data on an external device, Wondershare Recoverit is worth trying before you give up or spend more money on storage. Check the product link in the description and see whether your lost files can still be recovered. With storage getting more expensive, recovering your data might be the smartest upgrade you make. I will also leave the official link near the top of the description so you can find the download quickly. Test it and compare the recovery results on your own storage device safely today. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you tried anything and need a little bit of help, I'm here for you. Also, if you find the video useful and recovered your data, don't forget to drop a like, and of course don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the best tools for recovering data on the planet. Bye bye.